Akihiro, Deo, congratulations! You guys win the reward. Pupunta kayo sa island of Phuket, fine dining, everything that comes with it, plus 10,000 baht. May sorpresa pa ako para sa'yo, Akihiro. Maaari kang pumili ng isang castaway na isasama mo kasama ang kanyang loved one. Tatay at Aaron! Ang isinama!
How's my girlfriend, my dog?
Alright, I say.
Everything in Manila was okay.
Okay, everything was okay.
During the way go to the Phuket, I have a lot of things to talk about with my friend si Hideo. Tungkol my girlfriend, my family.
I was to try to say like good things, you know. Make you don't get so worried about the game and try to relax.
Bukas, suot ko na yung jacket ko. Grabe yun, luwag na sa akin.
Lahat kami, sabi namin, parang ang sarap ng feeling. Parang nakawala ng pagod, nakawala ng gutom na makita mo yung mga mahal mo sa buhay na habang nasa hirap ka, biglang makita mo sila, parang nakawala ng stress, nakawala ng pagod, nawala lahat.
Hindi naman ako laging hiwalay. Sunod-sunuran lang ang drama ko. Kasi, syempre, yung huling taong gusto akong isama para i-take ako as an alliance, tinanggal nila. So, syempre yung feeling ko na parang wala na talaga, hindi naman sa walang chance, pero kung ganun talaga sila katigas ang ulo, na alam ko parang takot sila sigurong gumawa ng sariling alliance dahil alam nila pag gumagawa ka ng alliance, pag nahuli ka nila, ikaw ang ininext nila.
Nagkausap kami ni Aubrey tungkol dun sa maging voting system na susunod-sunod yung lineup namin.
Paalam sa akin, kailangan ko ipanalo. Basta sabihin sa'yo, after pa naman yun yung after Aki. Wait mo siya muna. After Michelle, doon kailangan ko manalo para di ako mahirap. Or huwag muna si Aki. Actually, huwag muna.
Nagbigay siya ng na dapat daw si Moy na kaibigan ko, siguro natatakot din siya na baka lumipat ako sa side ni Moy and Aaron.
Kahit gusto ko, sasabi siya na this is my chance. Mahirap kasi lalo na yung mga boys, may sarili silang gusto nila. Hindi sila aalis. Sila Katong, Charmaine, hindi sila
laban ko muna mo kay Dila lang mo. Ikaw, ayaw mo laban sa Lin? Ayaw mo laban? Ano na, I'm thinking, I don't wanna get cold later kasi.
Well, see, he's always, you know, like, yeah, honest. And, you know, he's not like a type of secret.
Yeah.
He's a nice guy. Too nice.
Yeah.
Si Moy, trinay ko siyang kausapin nung naiwan kaming dalawa dun sa tambayan. Sabi ko, ayaw ba ng all-girls alliance? Para maging safe, dun ako kung saan yung malakas. Parang nakaka-disappoint lang.
Pero gusto ko rin masama sa top 5, top 3, pero kung hindi na talaga kaya, kailangan ko pa rin gumawa ng alliance ng matibay para at least kahit pa paano masama ako sa challenge.
So I just want to make sure we go to the top 5.
I think we can go top 5. Yeah, we can.
Top 5.
Then later we can talk about it.
I think I can trust them, so like I said, Aki's way too honest. Mama Elle would not betray me. And well, Urbic and Aubrey are with Aki and Manay also. I can only trust them.
Ngayon may isang fine dining dinner that night. So dumating kami ata doon around 7:30 or 8. Blue Elephant yung name ng restaurant na sobrang social. Kasi parang hindi mo in-expect na parang restaurant na kasi parang siyang rest house na malaki lang. Tapos sobrang maganda yung ambience.
Akiko, thank you very much. Akiko. Nagpapasalamat kami kay Aki. Nagulat talaga si Aaron at ako'y nagulat din na kami ang pinili.
Tapos biglang tinawag na kami, muna kami sa table, as yun na.
Welcome to our house. But congratulations for today. I hope that it was not too hard. I didn't want to kill you with the spices.
Pero I really like the spices.
You really
So I was amazing to have to eat in the very expensive restaurant. Really appreciate the taste.
Masasarap siya. Iba ang timpla ng Thailand kaysa atin. Very spicy. Mahanghang.
And after we eat in the Blue Elephant restaurant, we went to a hotel. I got surprised kasi this hotel, I went there once. I was for a shoot also. But I forget how amazing this hotel is.
Mag-swimming ka na dito na, oh. Sarap! Sarap!
Wow, sobrang swerte ko talaga. Sabi ko, dahil pa nito ang tumama sa luto nga. Very lucky.
Lucky.
Very lucky, guys.
Oh, bad, finally. Estilo.
The view is amazing because it's kinda in the mountain, the place. And then first thing I did was brush my teeth and to take a bath, for sure.
Breakfast, thanks bro. Tonight.
Hi, ikaw! Ayaw mo? Sarap, oh! Sigit ka, oh! Ito ako, oh!
Ginamit ko lahat ng facilities dun. Nag-jacuzzi ako, nag-spaghiga ako, siguro mga 15 minutes lang ako dun. Nag-steam bath ako. Shower ako ng 3 beses. Hindi ko abot yung likod ko, so tinawag ko siya, sabi ko baka pwedeng magpa-scrub sa likod. So yun, scrub niya ako sa likod, tapos yun, sabi niya parang payat na, tapos medyo maitim na yung likod. So yun, first time lang namin ginawin parang banding na ganun kasi. So, kahit ayaw ko, kahit gusto magpahinga, ginamit ko lahat para lang masulit yung pag-stay namin doon.
Susunod sa Survivor Philippines.
Guys, Philippines Survivor. I do this for Survivor Philippines. Takot ako, Jesus Christ! Oh my God!